Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called Super SSH. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is general skills. The task is to find a flag by using SSH. You'll find the link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF homepage, and here we have the challenge, Super SSH. And the description reads, using a secure shell, SSH is going to be pretty important. And then we need to launch the instance. Can you use SSH as a CTF player to titan.picoCTF.net at port 49439 to get a flag? You'll also need the password. Okay, so let's head over to the shell and let's copy some information. Let's first copy the username, SSH, and then let's input the username at, and then we need the name of the machine. So Titan, etc. like this. And then we also need to specify the port. That one. And then we get the message and we need to accept this to continue connecting. And then we need to enter a password. That was given to us as well. So let's copy that one and paste it. Welcome CTF player, here's your flag, because they have secure connection. Yes, so using SSH, the connection is encrypted, it should be secure. And then we were just disconnected. So that's it for this challenge, I guess. So let's head back over here and submit the flag. Hooray, we solved the challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.